आर्म्स एवरीवन अपने आर्म्स बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट रखें स्ट्रेच कीजिए अपने आर्म्स को खींच के रखें 4 5 6 7 8 कीप डाउन योर हैंड्स
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all. Myself Aniza Aziz, your host from grade 8B. Today, 19 February 2026, Thursday, is the last day of library week. Therefore, me and my class fellows are here to present Matric Street. Now, to have a blessed start to the day, I would like to call Myra for Kirat and Hadith. بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم من ستر مسلما ستره الله يوم القيامة हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया जो शख्स किसी मुसलमान की पर्दापोशी फरमाएंगे क़यामत के रोज़ अल्लाह ताला उसकी पर्दापोशी फरमाएंगे Subhanallah. I would now like to invite Sarah to present the quote of the day. So, no matter what you're going through. Hello. No matter what you're going through, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Not all readers read the same way, but every reader reads for a reason. Next, I would like Unzila and Inshal to come forward and share with us about different kinds of readers. What kind of reader you are? Neurotic reader, get easily distracted, switches between book and result hardly ever finishes the book. Monogamous reader, single task reader, sticks to one book, love rereading, favorite title. Extrovert reader, adventure grabs everything filled with words like cameras. Polygamous reader, multi-task reader, lover reading many books at a time, never minds the plot. Activist reader, helper read and recommend help, reading lists to friends and families. Introvert reader, sticks to one genre, analyzes and ponder over the plot, identify with the character. Few of my class fellows are here to inspire us with their quotes. A book is a dream you hold in your hands. A library is a place vibrating with ideas. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you go. Books aren't just made of words, they are filled with places to visit and people to meet. Read book, change the world. A little reading is all the therapy a person needs sometimes. Reading is reading with open eyes. A library is a place where books speak to us through quotes. Let's now put our thinking caps on as Sarah will be challenging us with some riddles. I left one of my keys when I was running down the stairs. Who am I? I left one of my keys when I was running down the stairs. Who am I? Cinderella. Correct answer. I am a princess who lives with the 7 dwarfs. Who am I? Snow White. Correct answer. I am the older brother of Greg Heffley.
Matric.
Correct answer. My best friend is Greg Heffley from A Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Who am I? Roger. No.
Lovely.
Correct answer. had a magic lamp and someone lives inside it. Who am I? Genie. I had a magic lamp and someone lives inside of it. Who am I? Aladdin. Genie. I am a Disney princess who has ice power. Who am I? No, wrong answer. Very correct answer. I have really long golden hair and I live alongside a witch. Who am I? Rapunzel. Correct answer. I am a famous magician who has lightning scar in his hand. Who am I? I am a famous magician who has a lightning scar in his head. Correct answer. I am the owner of the chocolate factory who invited 5 mysterious kids. Those were some fun riddles. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Lastly, I would like to end our presentation with a poem. With love. Here is a remedy that's sure to cure. You should go and read a book. If you've been climbing mountains but then find that you've got stuck, whatever you do, don't panic. It's a chance to read a book. If you have run out of inspiration and don't know what to cook, forget about food completely and go and read a book. If you are having a night on the town and you want to strike the right look to impress your fellow clubbers, just sit and read a book. And that brings us to the end of our assembly. I hope you all learned something. Have a wonderful day. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum. And a very happy good morning also. Ramzan Mubarak. And give a big round of applause to Miss Zunaira and grade 8B for today's assembly presentation. So finally, library week ended, and I'm sure that all of you must have learned a lot. And Miss Zunaira, thank you for all your efforts. One more time, just give a big round of applause for Miss Zunaira. Thank you.
Start.